Hello, readers. ELA 329, finish the post assessment if you have not, or free read and you have the option to make up questions. Hello, readers. Ignite, can you remember having questions about a book? Chunk into pieces, sample questions, understand how parts of a story like setting is related to something larger like theme. Setting, where they are, or what time period it's happening during. Edit note, why? So this is wrong here. It is a dystopia or fantasy. Sorry, not what. So first question here is, tell me about the setting in the story. What makes this world unique? Why is it a dystopia or fantasy? How is the world different than our own? Oh, look at that. Than our own. I'm not borrowing the materials I get from people anymore. Okay, have you noticed any specific dystopia or fantasy elements? Why are they important? Okay, chew on it and review. Consider sentence stems. While I was reading, give us the title of the book here, a question that came up for me was, for example, on page or in the first part of the book, it says, or whatever part of the book you're in. All right. Thank you.